Hello everybody, I've got a best 7-pin lock here. I don't know if it's the SIFIC or LFIC. I can't correctly remember who sent it, but it's a 7-pin and it's telling you it's a lovely lock to pick. It doesn't contain security pins, but still it's a good fun pick. Just clamp it up, guys. So I've decided, guys, the videos I'm gonna do, they're gonna be locks that don't need gutting or I can't gut. Still not got my phone or anything. And another thing I wanted to show you guys are these bogotas, what I bought from UK Bump Keys. I'm quite impressed with these because I've picked a Yale lock, a Udo, which had mushroom pins inside. I think they're quite nice, these, well worth £5 anyway. So guys, they're good for jiggling mainly. The method I use is jiggling more than raking in and out, and they work wonders. Yeah, the ends are tension wrenches. I don't know how thick they are. I'll have to get my measuring thing, I forgot what it's called, out and do it. Anyway guys, let's get on with the picking. Be using one of my own homebrew gem style pick, a little bit shorter than a gem. It's made out of feeler gauge 0.28, and one of the tension wrenches what Freddie Pick made for me, absolute brilliant. The tension wrench this is, especially works excellent on dimple locks. Anyway guys, so there we go, right to the back from the 7th pin. Getting little movement in the core. Gotta be careful with the tension. Yeah. I'm using very light tension. But then if you use too light, the lock doesn't pick. I think it should open now. Sorry guys, I'm picking from an angle that I'm not used to as well. Sometimes I have to swap over to my Peterson gem then it, because it's got a couple of high pins. I don't have a key for this lock. I just can't remember who sent me this lock. It's a brilliant lock. Yeah, I think it's feels like I've set everything. With these locks I've noticed you gotta push the pins right up. They don't just like a touch. And the tension, if it changes, the pins drop. Oh, don't be shy. Usually I get it within no time. I'm gonna swap over to a Peterson gem, and I bet you I'll open it. Not saying my pick's not any good, right? Reset it. Sorry guys about this. You know what it's like when you want the lock to open, it doesn't like to open. There you go guys, there it is open. I told you the Peterson gem, slimline, never fails me. 1 second guys. I've never ever picked this to control. I've got 2 of them, but never picked to control, just you know, picked it to opening. Come on. Right, thank you very much guys, and thanks for watching.